Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's study on how to make and attach this beautiful V Star collar. This is the front and back body fabric, and I have cut the back body shoulder 1 inch higher than the front. Now, on your front body fabric, mark 3 inches plus 0.5 inches as the neck width and 10 inches as the neck deep. Now, mark 1.5 inches as shown and connect the 2 points to get the shape of a glass. Copy the same into a pasting paper and leave a margin of 1 inch as shown and cut it out. Next, press it on a fabric like shown with a gap of 0.5 inches on the sides and bottom. Make some clippings and fold it inwards and paste or stitch it. When it's ready, mark the centers on the pasting paper and on the main fabric and put notches. Place the pasting paper and the fabric correctly where the notches meet together and stitch along the yellow line, which is also our neckline, which is in the shape of a glass. When it's done, leave a gap of 0.5 inches and cut out the excess pasting paper. Now make some clippings to make turning easy. Step is to attach the front and back shoulders together. Now fold the fabric as shown and find the length of the collar. Remember, this is just half of the length, so the total length has to be doubled. Leave 1 inch extra when measuring the length. Hence, I get 14.5 inches. I will be using a contrast color for the collar as it enhances the beauty and look of the collar. So here I have taken a strip of fabric with a width of 5 inches and a total length of 14.5 inches. Draw a line with a gap of 0.5 inches and place a pasting paper on this line and press well. The width of the pasting paper is 2 inches and the length is 14.5 inches. Now decide on the place where you want the star shape to appear on your collar. I have chosen it to be 5 inches above the neck deep. Next, I fold the collar which I have prepared and mark a point 5 inches above. Remember to leave 1 inch at the end. Next, to create the star shape, mark 0.5 inches above and below the 5 inches point and draw a V shape as shown. Mark the same on the other side of the collar and create a similar V shape and stitch along the yellow line I have drawn. Once stitched, leave a gap of 0.25 inches and cut out the excess as shown and turn it around, and you will finally see a result like this. Now place the collar right around the neck as shown and stitch. Ta-da! The beautiful classy star collar is ready. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Bye bye from Home Menu.